Well, part 3 of my video. I got my wife and kiddo out to family members. So let's go see how deep it is. Not quite waist deep. So the water's flowing away from the creek that's overfilled. Looks like Pearland Parkway is passable. So this is the main street in my neighborhood where it intersects with my road. And we are waist deep right now. Looks like they may have got some water in their garage. I meant to take my GoPro when I was taking the wife and the kid, but forgot my SD card. But not this much water, but there's water all the way to the front of the neighborhood. Really sucks.